Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes. Shall we start? Good afternoon. So we have seen the last class development methodologies, some examples they were taken, how it will be the development process to be taken. So many software development process fails to achieve their goals. So some estimates of the failures are rate put into the higher 50 or 50%. So some of the people getting such shared failures or whatever it may be. So they have the development methodologies. You have to do like this. Now we'll go for the continuation of these developmental methodologies. So you have the rapid contextual design. So what is that called? Rapid contextual design. We have to see one by one. So contextual is nothing but, so you have the plan, prepare, how you will be executing. That is what the rapid contextual design. So meaning is nothing but how you will plan, how you will design, how you will execute. That is what the contextual. Now we'll see one by one. What is, you have the contextual inquiry, interpretation session and work modeling, model consideration and affinity diagram building, persons visioning, storyboarding, user environment design, paper prototypes and mockup interviews. So these are all the things we have to check the in contextual design. So first one is called the contextual design. So contextual design is nothing but plan for, prepare and then conduct the field interviews. So what you have to do? Plan for, prepare and conduct the field interviews. So actual interviews we need to find out from this. That is what the contextual inquiry. So conducting the, you have to plan for that and you have to conduct the interviews for the plan ground level. So that is what the contextual inquiry. So second one, interpretation sessions and work modeling. So what is that called? Interpretation session and work modeling. So you have the whole team discussions to draw conclusions. Entire team draws the conclusions based on the contextual inquiry. So what here is nothing but what holds the discussions to draw conclusions. So they will be coming into the conclusions from the entire team. So from the contextual, so whatever they have designed, planned, all these things, from that inquiry, including the gaining and understanding of the workflow process. So this is what the workflow process, how it will be happening. So interpretation session and work modeling is nothing but what? So here you have the team building. So you have to gather and you have to come to the conclusion how to be done all these things and how to execute that, how from the contextual design. That means what they have done is how they have planned to execute that work. So here is you have to come to the conclusion how to execute the contextual inquiry. So whatever you have made plan for that, that how to be executed. That is what the interpretation session and work modeling. Work modeling is nothing but what? You should come to the conclusion how to execute the contextual inquiry. Contextual inquiry already we had discussed. So that is nothing but the how you will be planned and how you will design and how you will be conducting the field interviews. Field interviews is nothing but who are all that domain is strong. So that people you will be conducted the interviews. So this is the things to be done and this is what you have to execute it. So here is you come to the conclusion because already you have decided to whom you have to assign the work. So that's what we have to see that one, to whom we have to assign the work. So that is what you have the idea. Now you will be calling one person and you will be assigning that one. So when you are doing any activities also same thing will be doing. First we will be having one idea. Next what we will be doing. So you want to execute. You will come to the conclusion that is nothing but I want to execute this one. So to whom you have to assign the work. That is what the interpretation sessions and work modeling. Next is third one. So what is that called? Model consideration, consolidation, and affinity diagram building. So consolidation. So consolidations, how you will be making the consolidations of the modeling building. So this is nothing but the present the data gathered to the data from the users and the interpretation and work modeling. So this is what they can be done. So here is nothing but the we have to model the consolidations. So you have to model consolidations. So that means what? You should come to the conclusion. So this is what my model. So that means what? We will say when you are doing the project architecture diagrams. So the architecture diagrams, how it would be. So you should come to the conclusion. So the first one is nothing but we have the how you will be planning for that. Next is you come to the conclusion how to execute that plan, whatever you have made it. Once you do that, you write the hierarchy for that. So when we are conducting any functions and all, we'll say first, so welcome speech. Before that, somebody will sing song, welcoming address, all these things will be done. Next is address for the gathering. Next activity, something like that. So that is what you have the some of the hierarchy for that. When we are doing projects, you should show the diagram for consolidations of the diagram. You need to build the diagram to execute that. So by seeing the architecture diagram, we should be able to find out the what it will be doing this project. That is what this one. Next, person as. So what is that called? Personal development. This is nothing but the personal development. So here is personal development is nothing but. So here is you have the it represents the different people will be there and how it will be definitely executing this. So here is nothing but you have the example. If you take 22 years old male person will be watching the you want to play the games, so he'll be playing the game, something like that. So one person will be sending the mails to his friend or her friend. So their personal development is nothing but so you are coming you how you will be developing for that. So that means what? So how you will be saving all these things. That is what the personal development here. So personal development is nothing but so even you should improve for that. For example, here when you are doing any activities and all, so when we are executing any one activity, so that we'll get confidence. So whatever we want, we can do it. So we'll be thinking that way. Once we execute any one small function, then we'll get heavy gain. So that means what? I can be able to do it. Suppose if you are doing one project, so next you will be getting the idea. So you will get confidence once you execute your programs or once you complete your project, then you will get full confidence so that I can do it whatever it is required. So that's what the personal development, that one. So I didn't type it full, that is nothing but personal development, that one. Next is visioning. So visioning is nothing but so reviews and mock the consideration consolidated data. So visioning is nothing but the so we have the some of the ideas. So once you reach that one, so what you have to do is you have to review that, you have to execute that, whether it will be working properly or not. That is what the visioning. Reviews and mock the consolidated data, sharing the performance created. So whatever you are sharing that, so whether it is properly coordinating or not, properly it will be working or not. So here is our small projects, one person will be doing individually. So when we are doing projects in the companies and all, so many people will be involving and many modules will be there, and how you will be coordinating that. That is what the visioning. Next is storyboarding. So storyboarding is nothing but so detailed redesign. So detail the redesigning. So we have to design in detail this one. Suppose when you are combining this, we have to see it one by one module, either top down or bottom approach of how it will be working there. So we have to come down, top down, sometimes bottom up. All these things we have to check it out, whether it is where it is going wrong, all these things. So this one should be working properly, that project or not. So that is what the storyboarding. So next one is nothing but the user environment design. So user environment design is nothing but so we have the many users. So how it will be communicating between one end to another end. So source to destination, server will be there, clients will be there. So user environment, how you are giving, how you will be giving link between client and servers. So you have here you have some of the examples they were given. UE user interface designs. So how you will be permitted, how we will be executing the user environment design. So next one is proper paper prototypes and mock-up interviews. So finally, first we have done interviews and last also mock-up and interviews. So final one is nothing but once we given to the everything is ready, so we'll execute it first individually, then we'll be giving to customers. So there also whether it will be working properly or not. Prototypes whether it is working or not properly. That means prototypes is nothing but the functions. All the functions are working properly or not. So then again we have to take the interviews. That means what? Interviews is nothing but for all using that one in terms of the feedback or anything. So here is again, if it is required, any other prototypes are required, that means any other functions are required, you should be able to implement that one, should be able to write it that. That is what the rapid contextual design. You have the contextual, that means what? You have to get the informations and prepare for that. So interpretation sessions and working modeling is nothing but you have to whatever interpretations, that means one by one how you will be doing. So step by step process, whatever you have planned from the contextual design, how it will be working. So you have to model consolidation, so we have to get the consolidate for that. That means what? So you will be dividing into the modules, so they will be doing that one again. You have to make the consolidate, so consolidated final one. So once you consolidate that, next diagram representation we have to do it. So once you make the diagram representation, that means we should have some idea how it will be working based on the diagrams. Next is personal development. So personal development is nothing but so how you will be individually, you will be contributing to that particular project, we can say that. So visioning, so visioning also. Next is storyboarding, so how you will be combining and how you will be executing that. Next is user environment design, user environment design. So here is nothing but how you will be giving the links, user interfaces. Next is paper prototypes and mock-up interviews. So there is nothing but paper prototypes and mock-up interviews is nothing but So here is prototypes is nothing but whether all the functions need to be executed or not. So whether it will be working perfectly or not. So that is what we need to do it. That is what the rapid contextual design. Now, next topic, ethnographic observation. So here you have some of the two diagrams are available. So looks like something. You see, somebody is first diagram. If you take it here, so she is watching something. So other people watching. These two people are watching one thing. Remaining other these three people are watching something, and this person is. We are not able to find out what he or she doing. That also we are not able to identify either he or she also don't know. Next, in this case, what happened? One person is sitting and doing something, and one more person standing and doing. So looks like she might have given some documents. He is watching that. Ethnographic observations. So observations is nothing but whether that particular persons whether they are doing execution properly or not. So one person they're busy with their workload. That's all. So they're executing their tasks. They're executing their jobs. So if they're assigning to some persons, they're busy with their task. So here is maybe individual, maybe group or whatever it may be, no problem. So individual assignment means individual people will be doing. If it is group means group. So these two people will be doing something, and these three people will be doing something, and this will be doing. So they have to execute finally the program. So you have assigned the work, and they are busy with their work. That's what the ethnographic observations. Now we'll see in detail how it will be working that. So here is ethnographic observations. What are all observations they made? It is nothing but preparation, how to make it, field study, how it will be doing. So that's what this diagram also. So field works, there is nothing but, so they have some of the papers. So they're maybe pasting or maybe they're doing some activities, how they will be doing observations. These are the observations. Next is called the preparation. So preparation is nothing but understand the organization policies and work culture. So here is preparation is nothing but first they need to understand the organization policies and work culture. So work culture is also important. So understand the organization policies. So organization policies, they will be having some of the rules and regulations for the management and workers. So maybe management says per month this month will be giving, so they have to follow that. So they cannot make whenever they want their own rules and regulations. So they have some of the standard policies. So for example, if they give for employees means this many days CL, this many days maybe monthly off or yearly festivals off, all these things, whatever it may be. So how much pay they are paying. So what are all the yearly increments? All these things, some of the policies. So they will be having that and work culture also. So work culture also they have to provide properly. So that means what? So they have some of the, for example, software engineers means they should have the one cabin separately or combined families also, at least system, internet facilities with the high-end systems or whatever it is required for the to develop that particular project, they have to do it. This is what they understand the organization policies and the work culture. Next one is familiarize yourself with the systems and its history. So you should be familiarized. We should know in detail with the systems and the histories. So histories is nothing but what happened, how it will be working, all these things. That is called the history. So for example, when you are coming for the placement, you should know the history of the PMS, how they are placing all these things. So what type of questions, which companies are coming. So some of the histories you will be inquiring when you are coming for the taking the admissions. So first they will be asking any college when the parents are going, do you have placement or not? If you have placement, how many people are placed in that companies? That's what you people will be asking all these things, the details. So that's what familiarize yourself with the systems and its histories. Next is Set initial goals and prepare the questions. Set the initial goals. We have the, you have to make the initial goals is nothing but small. Today I want to finish this, or within week I have to complete this much. So at least I have to complete 10% of the work in that particular project. Suppose if they give 1 month, so you have the 4 weeks of time. So in this, maybe 1 week to understand that. So next another 2-3 days making the preparations, last contextual preparation. So that means that is not the plan. So 1 month I want to execute that. So next is to, for that, how you will be making the items. Set the initial goals. So I want to understand. Suppose if the tools is required to learn it, you learn it within 3-4 days for the particular tools. So once you learn it, then you try to execute that. Then you have to make the architecture diagrams, then menu items, all these things you have to do it. So set the initial goals and prepare the questions. So you have to prepare the questions is nothing but, suppose if I am developing this, if I am giving this input, I have to get it that output. That is what the questions, prepare the questions for the initial goals. Next is gain access and permissions to be observe or interviews. Get the access and permission to observe and interviews. So they have to give the permissions for the saying or conducting the interviews. That interviews is nothing but communications here. So I want having some questions I will be asking. So within that people only doing the interviews. Interviews is nothing but, it doesn't mean that only recruiting the people. So there is nothing but knowledge sharing also we have to think. So that is what the one. So preparations is nothing but what? So first we should understand their policies and work cultures, and we should know the history of the organizations, and you need to prepare the goals and questions. Next is gain the access permissions to observe the interviews. So this is what the preparation. Next is field study. So what is it called, the field study? So field study is nothing but establish a rapport with the managers and users. So good rapport. So establishment with the rapport with the users and this one. This is what workplace always, you should have the good attitude. So then only we can be able to work. So that means what? Wherever we are working, they'll be having the good rapport. So that means what? Higher person, lower. So they will be having the good rapport. Then only they can be able to execute. They can be able to continue. So sometimes somebody will say, "Hey, my boss is not good. My boss is good." So some of this one. So that one is where there is not the working nature. So working nature they have to provide that is a good atmosphere. Next is observe interviews users in their workplace and collect it. Observe the interview users in the workplace. So you have to either observe or interview the users in their workplace and collect. So that means what? So users informations they have to collect it. So how it will be collecting, subjective or objective or qualitative or quantitative. So they have to collect the information either subjective or objective, either qualitative or quantitative. Quality is nothing, sometimes you will be thinking quality. Sometimes information is required means quantitative. So how much quantities have to take. So or with respect to the examples, once we develop any tool in these applications or any packages, so in this how many people are at a time utilizing. So how many people are qualitative, quantitative. Qualitative is nothing but whether it will be working correctly or not. So that is what the qualitative. And with a given of time. Suppose if I am entering, for example, if I am going to bank, if I am withdrawing amount in ATM, so within 1 or 2 seconds, or within 5 seconds, or within 10 seconds, I should take. So that means what? It cannot take the missions is more time. That is what the qualitative and quantitative work. So qualitative and quantitative. So quantitative is nothing but whatever the information is required, it is asking there. Qualitative work should be nothing but If I enter 5,000 rupees, means 5,000 rupees I have to get it. These were the quantitative and qualitative. So next is follow any leads that emerge from the visits. Follow any leads that emerge from the visits. These were the field study and preparations in ethnographic observations. Next is analysis. How you will be doing the analysis? Analysis is nothing but compile the collected data in numerical, textual, and multimedia databases. So you have to compile. Compile is nothing but here high level language to low level language. We will say here compile meaning. Here is nothing but so you compile the data all whatever it is required for that, either textual data, text data, or numerical data, or multimedia, audio, video, whatever it may be. So all these things compile it. So that means what? To execute that, compile that one items. Next is second one is quantify data and compile statistics. Quantify data and compile the statistics. So next one is reduce and interpret the data. So reduce and interpret the data. So interpret the data is nothing but so changing the data. How you will be changing that information. So reduce and interpret the data. Next is refine the goals and the process is used. Refine the goals. So redefine the goals and do it. So if data, whenever data is it is coming extra, we have to reshuffle that and you have to execute it. That means what? Whenever you are doing business, data is not only with respect to project. So whenever you are doing the business, so you have to take the statistics and you have to use the process for that. For example, if you take car companies, so even they will be analyzing how many cars they have sold out, how many new cars came. So that data also to be taken. So if they are not selling any cars within 1 year or 1 or 2 months, they will be under loss. So refine the goals and the process is used. So if something goes wrong, also you have to refine the goals. Next is how to make the reporting. Reporting is nothing but consider the multiple audience and goals. So consider the multiple audience and goals. So always whenever we are developing any projects, there should be always multiples on multiple users, how to use it. So for that audience, audio, video. Like the same example, we can take a video call, Google Meet. Consider the multiple audience and goals. So our goals is nothing but so every subject teacher they want to complete their subject, teacher subject. So your goal is nothing but you have to study this, you have to complete the study preparation for this. Consider the multiple audience and goals. So we need to consider always multiple users or multiple executions how it will be happening. Next is prepare a report and present the findings. Prepare the report and present the findings. So this is always will be happening. So you need to scare the people. Educate the people, then only they will understand. So for example, why to execute is nothing but so different persons are there, different modules they executed. So let me say 5 groups are there. So 5 groups, each group they have done it. Each group also 5 to 6 people will be there. They will assign some of the tasks. So once it is happened, once
placement files
uh,
from 2013 income 18.
so this is what the happening. So now prepare a report and present the findings. Prepare the reports and present the findings. So that means what? So they need to understand that one. So that's why the brainstorming or we can say that. So prepare the report and present the findings. Next is these were the 4 preparation, field study, analysis and report. Preparation, field study, analysis, and reporting. These were the ethnographic observations. So, how you will be making the preparation, field study, analysis, and final reporting. So, reporting is nothing but entire thing to be reported. So, here is video. If you take, teacher will be taking entering internal marks. This was the reporting finally. So, externally is nothing but you are writing. Finally, you will be getting the results. This semester will get over. So, next is participatory design. Fifth one is nothing but the participatory design. So what is that called? Participate. How you will be participating that the designing. So controversial. So more users involvement to brings. So we have to involve the more people. More people you have to make it involved. So more accurate information about the task. More accurate information about the task. Any informations we are having more accurate is required. So huge data may be there, but in that also we have to get the accurate. So otherwise it is difficult. So especially if you go for the financial dealings and all, maybe lakhs users are there also. So correct transaction should be done. So whatever you are doing operations, that should be only to be executed. If some other customers informations, if it is taking that, it is very difficult. So more accurate informations about the task. So tasks, whatever you want to do it, that should be more accurate. That means exactly should be performed. Next, more opportunity for the users to influence the designing decisions. More opportunities for the users to influence the design and decisions. So here is nothing but they have the more options to design and take the decisions. So first, when they are doing that, they have the more options. That's what we have to think first itself, which way to be designed. First itself, and we have the options. Before once you choose any tools, then we don't will not be having any options to do that one. So more opportunity for the users to influence design decisions. Next is a sense of participation that builds the user's ego investment in successful implementation. So a sense of the participation that builds the user's ego investment in successful implementation. This was the when you are doing the more accuracy for your project, then automatically your business will be succeeded. So many people will be there to invest in that. So more people are interested to do that one. That is what the this statement. So that is nothing but the essence of the participation that builds the user's ego. So that means what? So now we are seeing Reliance, how they are developing, how they are doing banking sector. So some of the shares wherever they are investing, so see the they will be seeing before investing what is the track record of that, whether I will be getting good returns or not. So that's what this one essence of the participations that builds the users ego investment in successful implementation. Next is potential for increased user acceptance of the finance systems. So here is potential for increase in the user acceptance. So we need to provide the increase the potential of this one. So there is nothing but what will happen is so always we need to participatory designing. Participatory designing is nothing but so what is the potential for increase in the users? So it is the potential means when we are more accurate, more strong for that particular goal, whatever we want to make it. So that goal, if we are strong, if it is working perfectly, automatically it will be going for the final stage. Users acceptance will be there. So that is what the potential for increase the user acceptance of final systems. So final systems is nothing but final versions. So to be accepted one. So how much it is accepted. So more acceptance we have to create it. That is what the controversial. Next is we have the participatory design on the negative side, extensive user involvement maybe. So how the negative side extensive user inventory maybe. So first one is be more costly, be more costly. So next one is length and the implementation period. Length and the implementation period. So we have to keep this is what my implementation time. So we have the deadlines for the execution of this. Otherwise, it will be difficult. We cannot take, or suppose if it is MCA 3 program, 3 years means we should complete within 3 years. And so we cannot take more than 3 years means then you will be the loser. So you have to pay one more year fees and you have to do it all these things. That is what the happening here. So lengthen the implementation period. So we have to goals. We should have that when to complete. So for example, if you take mobiles and all, so they will be changing the versions and all. They cannot take years together to change the model, one model to another model. You can take systems, computers also. So laptops, we are seeing first offering system only, it was a bit difficult. Now what happened? So it has changed everything. So now we are talking about how many, what is the speed for the system, how much memory is there, RAM size, ROM, how it will be. All these things we will be finding and will be going ahead. Next is build antagonism with people not involved or whose suggestions are rejected. So here is nothing but when the peoples are not involved in that case, so how to take the suggestions is rejected. So that is nothing but the here is build the antagonism with people not involved or whose suggestions rejected. So some of the cases how to reject the suggestions. Suppose maybe out of 100, one or two people they will be giving everything waste and all. So that is also not to be considered. So some of the people when they are taking feedback, first 10%, last 10% will be eliminating, the remaining only will be taking. So because everywhere some of these things favor will be there and non-favor also will be there. So that is what in between that they will be considered and they will be taking the feedbacks. So build that is what the with the people not involved whose suggestions are rejected. Next is force designers to compromise their design to satisfy incompetent participants. Forced to design to compromise, forced to compromise. Suppose if they are making forced to compromise their designing. So if you are forcing the designing, so satisfactory may not be possible. So incompetent participants, that is what this one. So force design to compromise their design to satisfy incompetent participants. Next is build opposition to implementation. Build the opposition to implementation. So we have to you have to build that here. Opposition is in nothing but here other people also to be implemented. That means other group people also to be implemented properly. Next is exacerbate personally conflicts between the design teams and members and users. So here also personally conflicts between design teams, members and users. So this always everywhere will be there. Sometimes we'll fight it. Suppose if in your class and hey, I want to hit for somebody. So conflicts when we are working also will be there. When we are see you are coming for education purpose, but still sometimes we'll fight, sometimes again we'll meet. All these things will be happening. So here also when they are doing projects, so when they have the conflicts, how to solve that one, how to make the how to build the team, how to work together. That is what the exacerbate personality conflicts between design teams, members, and users. So if it is happened that, how you will be coming out of this. Next is show that organizational politics and preferences of certain individuals are more important than technical issues. So if it is involved politics, what will happen? If anybody is involving in politicians and politics and fighting with or conflicts, if it is happen in between the employees, it is very difficult. Or users also, whoever it may be. So that is what the happening. See, when you are coming for prepare education purpose only, sometimes you will make hurting all these things. So workplace automatically it will be there. All these things how it will be making. That's what the last class we have learned it. Some of the policies they should be having. So once you make the policies, if it is anybody is crossing the policies or bonding the rules regulations, then some actions to be taken. So that is what all these things participatory design. So when you are making the participatory design, you see everywhere this one will be there. Sometimes, hey, I am working compared to better than that person, but still some I am only getting the problems. So that is there everywhere. Every problems will be there. We have to solve it and go. So here that is what the last one is. Show that organizational politics and preferences of the certain individuals are more important than the technical issues. So that is also more important. Technical issues, our aim goal. So, but what happened here? So compared to that, also this should be taken care to solve that particular problems. That is what the participatory design. Next is, you see here you have the participatory designs, you have the different cycles. So like memory, if you take, first one is called the users will be there. So that means what they want, users what they want, we have to find out and we have to do it. So tester, informant, designing partner. So designing partner, or if you go like this, informant, tester, next send it to the users. So all these things we should have the plan to execute participatory designing. So participatory designing is nothing but one after one after one after one, how it will be working, how it will be executing. So you have the different levels here. So you have the user, tester, informant, designing partner, all these things you will be having. So next one is scenario development. Scenario development. These were the day in the life scenarios, how it will be happening, day in life scenarios. That we'll see the next class because we cannot finish this. So these were the two things, participatory designing and ethnographic observations. These were the today's, and designing also we have seen. So contextual development material, developmental methodologies and rapid context design, in that how it will be working. So ethnographic observations is nothing but, so just you have to look that once it is started the work, how it will be working. So every time some of the monitoring will be there. So they're doing their job, but still some monitoring will be required. That is what the happening. So without monitoring, it is difficult. You take any work, somebody should be there to monitor, or somebody to be there to see that. That means what? Coordinating and to get the better performance. That is what the ethnographic observations. That's what the small photos. So that means showing that is nothing but what? So they are involved in their work. That's what this diagram says. So in this you have the preparation. So how you will be preparing for that? Field study, analysis, reporting. So this is what the ethnographic observations, preparation of field study, analysis, and reporting. So next is participatory designing. So when you are involvement, participatory designing. So how to involve and how to do that work. So that is also most important. You had 4 points, and this we have discussed it. So these are the many points we will be having participatory designing. In this, how it will be working. Next is particular design is nothing but particular design. When you are making, you have the different levels. That's what this diagram says. Different meanings and different levels will be there. How to execute that one by one. So here you have the design partner, informant, tester, users. That means one boundary, one person. So like industries also, once you take that one, so you have the different levels. So software engineers and group, next test case, testing that one, next combining the modules, and it will be how it will be working, all these things. Maybe if it is not coordinating one module to another module, then how to do it. So that means what? Suppose if we developing 2 to 3 modules, so 2 to 3 modules also should be coordinated properly. So otherwise it is difficult. Suppose if you, that's what here they will take maximum of medical equipments details. So there what will happen? The customer, if it is admitted in one hospital, they are maintaining every detail in that. So there one to another also coordinate properly. So maybe for example, if you take scanning machine, they'll go there and come. So that is also exact information they have to give it. So there if it is any mismatching, done. So scenario development, this one we'll see in the on Saturday. So this I'll stop it. So I hope this one and one more is there in this unit. 2 topics are left out that we'll see in the next class. I'll take attendance now. Answer attendance 2.
Yes, sir.
Answer attendance 2.
Present, sir.
3,
Yes, sir.
4. 4. 5.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Yes, sir.
8.
Sir.
9.
Yes, sir.
10.
Yes, sir.
11. Gautami. 12.
Present, sir.
13. Harini. 14. Harini will join again
Present,
after 10
sir.
minutes. He will see. He'll say, sir, I was present, network issue. Every day same
Present,
problem.
sir.
Harini for you.
13
15.
present.
See, that's
13
what I'm
present.
telling. What you are doing, Harini? When I'm calling, you will not respond. After 5 minutes, you will respond. Huh?
No, sir, I was present only.
Oh, very good.
Sir, no, sir, I was present only from beginning on, sir.
Okay. Yeah, beginning when you joined, I saw. But when I'm calling attendance, you are not responding. Right. Surya Prakash,
Present, sir.
you are here or sleeping?
I'm here, sir.
You are here. Good.
Sleeping.
Nayana,
Present, sir.
Nazma,
Present, sir.
Nidhi, Pradeep,
Sir.
Preeti,
Present, sir.
Rajesh,
Present, sir.
Sahadev,
Present, sir. Sir, yesterday I was there, sir. Because of mic issue, I did not tell attendance.
uh-huh. But I marked absent. Okay, I'll change it. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Right. 25,
Present, sir.
26,
Yes, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
Sankar,
Present, sir.
27,
Yes, sir.
28, 29, Sinchana,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
33, Masha,
Yes, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
Anusha,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53, Sai Siddharth, Chetana,
Present, sir.
Kavya, Kavya, Madhushree,
Present, sir.
Manish,
Present, sir.
Sarfaraz,
Present, sir.
Murugesh,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Mani,
Sir, present, sir. Sir, I'm facing some network issues.
Haresh,
Present, sir.
Pooja,
Present, sir.
Surprise, present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
64,
Present,
65, Ramakrishna,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
66, Sadhana, Sadhana, she's not coming only. 68, Shashank, 69, Shraddha, 69, $70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74, David, 76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
all right. Anybody else?
Hello. Sir, surprise, present, sir.
Huh?
Surprise, present. Did you mark present, sir?
Why? Surprise are present only, no?
Okay, sir.
Why you had doubt?
Sir, I'm facing some network issues from beginning of this class. Therefore, I was-
I entered, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Right. Absentees is 18. Register number 4, 11. Gautami. Here is 51, 53, 55, 66, 69, and 74. Okay. Bye.